So here we have our Zhaga 18 sensors. That means it was quite popular in the street lighting here in this light, but now it jumped into the industrial lighting. That kind of UFO luminaires or some other linear luminaires in the industry, they have applied those Zhaga 18 sensors. Why? Because it can be plug and play, and you can know all the data from the luminaire. So you can know how much they are consuming, if they have any failure, over voltage, over temperature. So you can really maintain and do the best functioning of the luminaire. For this, we have three main devices. We also have the socket for that, and once the socket is installed in your luminaire, it's just plug and play. This is the PIR sensor. That it is also good that you can cover it with a shield, so you can only detect the zones you want. This is more for human being, so this detects better the person. And then we have also microwave, that you can go for outside luminaires or even indoor as well. This is more sensitive, and you can play around with it to create kind of other detections whenever needed. Or imagine it is a super hot environment, and then the PIR sensor will not really detect because this is measuring the difference of temperature. While the micro radar is like Doppler effect, it will just detect by the difference in the radar, the wave they send. So with that, we complete the sensor system, and we also have that kind of DALI dimmer and 1 to 10 volt dimmer, that the range is increased to more than 100 meters outdoor. We play that in football stadiums as well, or in parkings in which we need some longer distances. And same, it can be plug and play in the luminaire, and you can control many luminaires with only one, and also with long distances.